Janine Gutierrez, dream na makawork si Jericho Rosales nang bagong lipat siya sa ABS-CBN ay nagkatotoo na nga ngayon. Hello mga kachika and hello po sa lahat ng masusugid na manonood. Welcome po muli sa aking channel.
Dream ko din makawork si Jericho. Very hardworking talaga siya. Tsaka, very pa-research and parang maaral. Parang malaking deal talaga na pinag-usapan natin yung mga character. Kasi yung parang unang araw namin, agad yung nakabikini ako, tapos may halik agad. Tapos, yun agad. Tapos away agad. So parang kailangan ma-establish mo ano bang pinanggalingan nitong dalawa para umabot sa gapon. Well, meron kaming mga chance mag-usap, like no script reading, ganyan. So doon try namin talaga pag-usapan kung paano magagawa. Pero more on like parang familiarity lang. Yung parang hindi kami awkward sa isa't isa kasi first time naman namin yun nga. So dahil first time yun, walang awkward siya. Nakatulong yung nag-usap na kung kami bago mag-taping.
Out of the main characters in the show, yung madalas kong ka-eksena na hindi ko pala nakatrabaho is Janine Gutierrez. Oh, amazing. We love working on our scenes together. You know, we spend a lot of time understanding our characters. We do workshops. We meet up for coffee to discuss work stuff. And we have the same discipline when it comes to work and approach when it comes to the craft and we both love playing characters and we care about our characters and the story and everything, so we always have this like discussions but we don't take ourselves so seriously, and so we just joke about it and everything, and same then with Jodie, meaning like you can joke about it but you're passionate about it. So yeah, going back to Janine, so she's a great screen partner.